Welcome back to the channel.
Today we're gonna go get lost in some Memphis barbecue.
So come get lost with us
Choo choo.
at the commissary. All right, so here's the commissary outside of it, the barbecue restaurant. It's definitely a little hole in the wall, right in downtown Germantown, right by the railroad tracks. Yeehaw.
All right, now that we got a seat, let's take a look around. Okay, so we got some pig chips, which is house-made potato chips, but they have barbecue seasoning on them, and then it comes with house-made ranch dressing. And let me tell you guys, this stuff is on point. They make this ranch dressing twice a day. They sell out of it so fast. Ooh, good. 10 out of 10. Recommend this. Hands down. Let's see what Gary thinks.
All right, so I'm gonna try the chips. Perfectly fried, perfectly crispy. The barbecue seasoning is amazing. And then of course we got the ranch to dip in. Oh, that ranch is amazing. It's the perfect consistency of it. It's a little bit more on like the sour cream, like hearty side, not so watery, and tastes amazing. Wow, these are good. Definitely recommend these chips when you come here. We got some wings coming out. We'll come and get you when they get here. So apparently commissaries were stops, little like stores along train routes. So when this was bought in 1981, it was already called the commissary. It had started in like
Makes
90
sense why
years
it's
old.
right by the train tracks.
So that's kind of where the commissary comes from, and they just kept the name because they thought they liked it. Little known fact, cool cup too.
They got bologna burnt-in sandwiches. I have not had a bologna sandwich since high school.
So we'll come and get you when our appetizers get here.
They're smoked and fried.
So the wings are smoked and fried, huh?
All right, guys. So our chicken wings just came out, so I'm gonna give this a go. It is really hot, so bear with me. It smells good. Dig it in some ranch. I'm good. Cooked for perfection. Crispy skin on the outside. Perfect amount of seasoning. This is good. Let's see what Gary thinks.
All right, so I'm gonna try the wings. They are definitely fried. They are so crispy on the outside. It's crazy. I mean, you can literally like, I mean, it's crispy.
You can hear the crunch.
Super fresh, super warm. Chicken is nice and juicy. The barbecue gives it a nice little taste. And then with the homemade ranch, oh, these delicious stones, man. I have to say, these are really good too. They're really big size. They actually give you the whole wing with the little piece on it and everything. These are really, really good. So we've got some main courses coming out, and we'll come and get you when they get here. 3, 2.
Anyways, so they have two different sauces here. They have a mild and a hot. So I'm gonna give the hot a try. A little bit of heat in the back of your throat, but it's not overwhelmingly hot. A little bit more like peppery. So like it's got a little more of a pepper taste to it. Still really, really good. All right, next up the mild. is a nice, thick, brown sugar type barbecue sauce. It's really good. And these are all made homemade. So I have to say, you can't go wrong whether it's the regular or the hot. And honestly, the hot, don't be intimidated. It's just a little bit of heat. Just a little bit. Just enough to kick it up just like one more notch. So don't be intimidated by the hot. This is really good. So again, we still have our stuff coming out. So we'll come and get you when our stuff comes out. All right, I got the chicken tenders. And it came with 5 chicken tenders and french fries, coleslaw, and a deviled egg, and 4 ranch dressings. So I'm in ranch heaven. That's all I gotta say. And it's mostly because I can't eat the fatty barbecue like I used to. So I'm trying to be kind to myself. So cheers. I have some good fried chicken. Nicely breaded, perfectly fried. Goes really well with the ranch. This is a really good alternative if you need an alternative to the fattiness. All right, next up, I've got the coleslaw. Cheers. It's okay. It's not my favorite coleslaw, but it's all right. Not a whole lot of flavor to it. But this is what I was excited for. Deviled eggs. Got the sweet relish in there. A little bit of mayonnaise. This is a pretty good deviled egg. So let's see what Gary thinks about his meal.
All right, so I got the beef brisket sandwich. It doesn't come with any sauce, but they do have sauce on the table that we already talked about. Come with a little cup of coleslaw, and I did add 2 deviled eggs to it, so I'm gonna go with the deviled eggs first. These looked amazing. We saw them when we came in. It's got a sweet pickle in there, really sweet pickle. It's really good. The creaminess of the egg, the little bit of mayonnaise that's in there, and then the cumin on top. Oh, that's a really, really good deviled egg. And it's only 95 cents a piece for a deviled egg. Try the coleslaw. It's not a bad coleslaw. The cabbage tastes good. The carrot's good. It's got a little bit of kind of like a sweet tartness to it with the sauce and everything. Not bad in the vinegar. Now I did add some honey barbecue sauce to mine, but this is the brisket sandwich. Melt in your mouth brisket. Really good smoked. It's got kind of this like crispiness on the outside of it. Oh, it's super good. The smokiness meets the sweetness. Amazing. Definitely would recommend. So we're gonna finish up our meal and we'll come and get you on the outside for our final thoughts. It's right next to the train tracks, y'all.
It's booking it. And it's already been going for like another minute or 2, so that's a really long train. Sounds like stuff's falling off of it.
Yes. so that concludes our eating adventure at the commissary. What did you think, Nacy?
I thought it was a really good barbecue. What did you think?
I thought it was great, yeah. I loved the deviled eggs. The wings were great. The chips were great. Everything was really good. The sauces were great. The ranch was amazing.
Everything was good. I liked it.
This is definitely a local spot. Nacy got told that from a bunch of the people that she works with that we should stop here, so that's kind of why we came here. And it's definitely a local, kind of hole-in-the-wall, great restaurant.
Yeah, and there's actually a couple locations all around Memphis. So if you're not in the Germantown area, definitely look it up on Google Maps and you'll find another location.
So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye everybody.